Is it time to buy or sell BitMine Immersion Technologies stock? In this video, we will explore BitMine Immersion Technologies in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any significant updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2025, our system has identified BitMine Immersion Technologies as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.81. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 25.47% since we initially designated BitMine Immersion Technologies as a buy candidate 6 days ago. This equates to an average return of 4.24% per day since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 11.31% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 66.44% to 174.46%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 56.36%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 59.05% to 280.92% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $24.55 and $228.40. Our latest daily update for BitMine Immersion Technologies features the headline, "A very strong day for BitMine Immersion Technologies Inc. stock price on Thursday." The BitMine Immersion Technologies Inc. stock price increased by 5.06% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, rising from $57.07 to $59.96. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see whether this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.99%. reaching a low of $58.80 and a high of $63.50. The price has risen on 8 out of the last 10 days, with an overall increase of 42.12% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also increased on this day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 3 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 64 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $3.84 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $161, and the lowest was 9.64 cents. Currently, the price is 62.76%, or $101.04, below the 52-week high of $161, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. BitMine Immersion Technologies has emerged as a significant topic in the market this month. The company now reports cryptocurrency and cash holdings exceeding $9.2 billion, including just over 2 million Ethereum, which positions it as the largest Ethereum treasury by holdings, while it pursues a 5% of Ethereum strategy. BitMine also revealed a strategic investment of $20 million in 8co, which is now trading as Orbs. This move has sparked a notable rally driven by altcoins and has significantly boosted the value of BMNR shares this week. In terms of corporate developments, there was a listing on the NYSE American in July, an investor presentation in August, and communications from the chairman, along with the addition of David Sharbut to the board to enhance infrastructure expertise. Management has also issued a public statement in response to increased scrutiny from exchanges regarding cryptocurrency treasuries. In the short term, these headlines and the excitement surrounding 8co are driving substantial momentum, increased trading volume, and heightened volatility. This creates the potential risk for quick profit-taking or a sharp pullback if market sentiment shifts or if regulations are enforced. Over the long term, BitMine stock is likely to closely follow the price of Ether and the broader cryptocurrency market cycles. Sustained appreciation of Ethereum, along with strong governance and access to capital, could positively impact the stock. Conversely, reliance on a single digital asset, regulatory pressures, and execution risks could amplify potential downsides. Analysts have assigned BitMine Immersion Technology stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for this stock. The following signals have been identified for BitMine Immersion Technologies. The stock of BitMine Immersion Technologies Incorporated presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal emerges from the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $53.50 and $48.30. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was produced from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 3, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 55.59%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots generated a sell signal 54 days ago. The short-term moving average has shown a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average has also provided a buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average issued a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average has shown a buy signal 93 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 93 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BitMine Immersion Technologies. BitMine Immersion Technologies Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $58.98. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement during the day, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $4.70 between its high and low, which is a change of 7.99%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 10.60%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BitMine Immersion Technologies, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is currently losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest inadequate profitability and may raise concerns about the risk of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BitMine Immersion Technologies. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BitMine Immersion Technologies is at $60.45. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BitMine Immersion Technologies encounters its first support level at $58.98. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BitMine Immersion Technologies from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 11th of September, in 2025, Bates Jonathan Robert conducted an insider sell of 250,000 shares of common stock. On the 31st of August, in 2025, Love Laurie conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. On the 31st of August in 2025, Lovelorry conducted an insider buy of 3,750 shares of common stock. On the 17th of June in 2025, Innovative Digital Investors Emerging Technology Limited Partnership conducted an insider sell of 2,500 shares of Series B convertible preferred stock. On the 17th of June in 2025, Innovative Digital Investors Emerging Technology Limited Partnership conducted an insider sell of 303,966 shares of Series A convertible preferred stock. Based on the 51 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 88.024. Overall, insiders purchased 6,794,458 shares and sold 25,290,904 shares in the last 51 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $56.65, reflecting a decline of 5.52%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to its high level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 53 days ago. Is BitMine Immersion Technology stock a good buy? BitMine Immersion Technologies Incorporated holds several positive signals and is experiencing a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a good choice at these current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 19th of September, we expect BitMine Immersion Technologies to open higher by approximately 79 cents, starting at a price of $60.75. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.